Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll learn about distribution list, what it is, why we create it, and how differ it is with Microsoft 365 group. So a distribution list usually comes handy whenever we want to send information to a set of users or to some number of peoples. So in those scenarios we use distribution list just to share the information, nothing else. And like we get SharePoint Teams channel and an Office 3 and a group mailbox in of Microsoft 365 group. So we don't get such features in this distribution list. So this is basically used just to send the information and nothing else. Okay. So let's create one. Okay. And also let me tell you that this distribution list can be created from multiple places. So this is Microsoft 365 Admin Center, Active Teams in Group, and Distribution List. So this is one place from where you can create this distribution list, and this can be created from Exchange Admin Center. So this is the Exchange Admin Center. I am going to groups, okay, and then we have distribution list. So you can create a distribution list from here as well. One more thing, you can create a distribution list from your Outlook as well. So this is the actual place. Click on settings, and then we'll go to general. Click on distribution groups. So this is the page wherein we navigate to. Click on this portal, visit this portal. So when you click on visit this portal, it will actually navigate to the page, and this is very user specific. Every user will have this page, and in this page the user can check that which distribution list that user is part of and which distribution list he has created or she has created. So you can just click on add new group, and you can just fill up the information, and once you are done, just click on finish. So let's create one for testing. Okay, these are the places from where we can create a distribution list, but let's see how in the real time we create a distribution list. So I'm in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. I clicked on create a distribution list, and let me put up some information. Let's put it up as test deal. Okay. And we are creating from Admin Center. So let's put it as test deal ADM Admin Center. Okay. Next, and we need to assign one owner to this. So let me assign myself as the owner. I'll put up my name, Rahul, and I'll search for this. Okay, this is my username, and click on next. So right now I'm not adding a member to this, okay, just for testing purposes. I'll click on next. I will give some name to it. So let's give the same name to it, test DL ADM. Okay, and good. So domain, right now there is no custom domain added to this tenant. So right now there is only one domain available, which is the default domain. Okay, and I want that you know people who is not part of my organization can email to this distribution list. Okay, and if you do not want this particular feature, you can just unselect this. So the user won't be able, the external user basically won't be able to send emails to this DL. Okay, I'll hit next. So you see all of the things are done, and I'll just click on create group. Okay, so the group will be created. All right, let's wait for that group to be created. Okay, good. Now I'll just close this. Okay, so this is how you create a distribution list. So the distribution list showing up here. Okay, you can re-verify the settings and everything you want. So this is the basic information. There is nothing more here. Let's go to member. Right now there is no member to it. Even if you like, you can add a member or owner to this group as per your wish. Okay. And there was one more section which was settings. You can just view the settings of this test DL. Okay. And you can also view more settings of this test DL from the Exchange Admin Center. Okay. When you click on that, it will navigate you to the Exchange Admin Center. And in the Exchange Admin Center, you can just open this. So I have opened this. Okay. Let me show you. I'll go to other settings. So there is only one setting remain here. Okay, which is, let me show you this, uh, approval. Okay, membership approval and message approvals. So let's look into this membership approval. Okay, I'll click on this membership approval. So right now it is set to open. It means that anyone can join this group, anyone can leave this group. Okay, so I'll show you in a quick while that what is the meaning of this. So either if you want that the person, okay, uh, anyone who requests to join this group will be declined automatically. You can set it to close, or else that you want that anyone who raises the request to join this DL, the approval should be received by the owner, and if the owner approves or reject the request, so on the basis of that, the user should be added or removed or does not join the group. Okay, and likewise, if you want to open that, if anyone wants to leave the distribution list, can leave it automatically without any approval, or else if you want that the user who wants to leave uh, raise any request to leave the group. Okay, so these are the settings which you can choose. Right now I'll just set it to open on both of the things. Okay, I'm not changing anything, and I'll show you why. Okay, and a message approval. So likewise, you want that anyone wants to send anything into this group or wants to send outside email from this DL, so they need to raise a request. So you can just leave it blank. Okay, so like I explained that if someone sends any message to this DL, so the owner will receive a request that this message came to this DL and whether you want this to be distributed among the users or not. So this is the setting means. Okay. Let's look into the other these delegations. We'll look into these details later on. Okay, let's look into the main thing, which is membership or approval. I'll just open another user. Okay, I have this user opened up, Elena Shepard, and I'll just go to the DL. If I want to join this DL, suppose I just curious to join this DL. I go to my users Outlook. I'll click on this gear icon, and then the general settings, and then I'll navigate to uh, the distribution list portal. Okay. All right, so this portal has been opened up, and this user does not own any group, and this user does not belong to any group. But I want this user should join that test DL ADM. So you see that right now the test DL ADM is showing up. I'll just click on join the group, and this user will be added to the group members. Okay, and you can just cross verify. I'll just refresh that. I'll just go to my main account. Okay, I'll just refresh it. Right now there is no member added to it. Okay, I'll just refresh. Okay, meanwhile I'll just refresh it. I'll open this, go to members. Okay, now you can see that Elena is being added to this group. Okay, so this is how the open and close request works. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video, And if you do, then please hit the like button, share the channel, and subscribe to it. Okay. And one more thing before leaving, we have not checked each and every settings of this TL, but in later videos, I will come up with a brief explanation of how these settings work, okay, and how we can use this into real time. All right. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye.